Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a website using AI. Now, as you all know, that AI has completely revolutionized the way we create things. Back then, creating a website was a hassle, but now creating a website is just a flick of a finger, just like that. Because you're going to ask for AI to actually give you tips on how to build a website, and there are absolutely websites out there, website making AIs, okay, that'll do that for you. And a lot of platforms as well have focused on requiring you to create an actual website, but then actually aiding you with AI. So once you read all the tips from ChatGPT, this is probably the most traversable, easy AI. So that's just it. Thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.